d by dx of root sine 3x. So root x or derivative 1 by 2 root x. What is your x? Sine 3x. d by dx of what is the function that you have inside? Sine 3x. Now this remains the same. Root sine 3x. d by dx of sine x is cos x. But here you have 3x. Your x is 3x. So first we will find the derivative of sine 3x. Sine x or a derivative cos x. So 3x times d by dx of 3x. The function that is inside. So 3x or a derivative 3. I'm going to bring the 3 outside. So I have 3 cos 3x divided by 2 root sine 3x. Okay? It is very easy. Step podunga. If you don't miss any steps, you will not make any mistake. So try to write each and every step. Try to write the d by dx of every function. Though you know 3x or a derivative 3 nu namak theriyum. But it's always better to write this particular step so that you don't miss this function out. Okay? Next question. d by dx of e to the x square. So e to the x or a derivative, e to the x itself. You have d by dx of the function is x square. So you have 2x e to the x square. Okay? Next question. d by dx of root tan x. Root x or a derivative 1 by 2 root x, which is tan x. d by dx of tan x. What is your d by dx of tan x? Secant square x. So you have secant square x divided by 2 root tan x. Clear? d by dx of root cosecant x. So root x or a derivative 1 by 2 root x. d by dx of the function. So d by dx of cosecant x is minus cosecant x cot x. So minus cosecant x cot x divided by 2 root cosecant x. Okay? Next question. d by dx of tan root x. So the derivative of tan x is secant square x. So secant square root x. d by dx of what is your function? Root x. So you have secant square root x. d by dx of root x is 1 by 2 root x. That's your answer. d by dx of cos square x, which is cos x the whole square. So x to the square, x to some power, you bring the power down. So you have 2 cos x d by dx of cos x. You have 2 cos x. Derivative of cos x is minus sin x. Minus 2 sin x cos x is minus sin 2x. Remember, 2 cos theta sin theta is sin 2 theta. Okay? Next question. d by dx of sin x square plus 1. So sin x or a derivative cos x, but you have to find the derivative of the function that's inside. So you have d by dx of x square plus 1 is 2x plus 0. So I have 2x cos x square plus 1. d by dx of sin 2x cos 3x. So what do you have here? You have a multiplication. So this is u, this is v. So you have vu dash plus uv dash. So it's v u dash. What is your u dash? Sin x or a derivative cos x, but you have sin 2x. So let me write cos 2x d by dx of 2x. Correct? So I have written v u dash plus u v dash. So sin 2x v dash, derivative of cos x is minus sin x, but I in turn need d by dx of 3x. So now I have 2x or a derivative 2. So I have 2 cos 3x cos 2x minus into plus minus, derivative of 3x is 3. So I have 3 sin 2x sin 3x. Okay. D by dx of cos 5x. Cos x or derivative minus sin x. Minus sin 5x, but d by dx of 5x. So you have minus 5 sin 5x. Okay. D by dx of cot square x, which is cot x the whole square. So x square na 2x times d by dx of cot x. Cot x or derivative minus cosecant square x. Minus 2 cot x cosecant square x. Okay. Next, d by dx of 5 plus 7x to the power 6. Suppose x to the power 6, the derivative of x to the power 6 is 6x to the power 5. What is your x? To the power 5. D by dx of 5 plus 7x. D by dx of 5 plus 7x is 7. 7 6 are 42. 42 times 5 plus 7x to the power 5. D by dx of 3 minus 4x the whole power 5. X to the 5 or a derivative 5x to the 4. D by dx of 3 minus 4x. Derivative of 3 minus 4x is minus 4. Minus 4 times 5 minus 20. Okay. D by dx of root sine x cube. You have three different functions. You have a root, you have sine, you have x cube. So what do you do? Root x is your first priority. So you have 1 by 2 root x d by dx of sine x cube. Sine x or a derivative cos x. So times cos x cube, but you need to find the derivative of x cube. X cube or a derivative 3x square times 3x square. Am I going too fast? So basically you have root x or a derivative 1 by 2 root x, where your x is sine x cube. First step is done. Now you have to take the derivative of the function that is inside. So sine x cube or a derivative of sine x is cos x. So cos x, but your x is x cube. Step 2 done. Now step 3. You have to find the derivative of x cube. What is the derivative of x cube? 3x square. Okay. So you have three functions. The root, sine, and the x cube. Okay.